Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Toyota Supra car. We'll begin by establishing the fundamental shape. First, draw a long, low rectangle to represent the main body. Then, add a gentle curve for the roofline and windshield. Next, lightly sketch the positions for the wheels and the front and rear bumpers. This initial framework is crucial for maintaining correct proportions throughout your drawing process. Now, let's refine the body. Carefully draw the Supra's distinctive side profile, including the door cut lines. Next, outline the windows, paying attention to the unique shape of the rear quarter window. Don't forget to add the prominent side skirts and the subtle yet powerful fender flares. These details truly bring out the car's muscular stance and aerodynamic design. Moving on, we'll focus on the wheels, lights, and grille. Draw the wheels, ensuring they have a sense of depth and are properly aligned within the arches. Next, carefully sketch the headlights and taillights, capturing their specific shapes. Finally, add the front grille and the various air intakes, which are key to the Supra's aggressive front-end look. These elements add significant character. For our final slide, we'll add the finishing touches. Gently erase any unnecessary construction lines, cleaning up your drawing. Then, apply subtle shading to give your Supra depth and a three-dimensional appearance, paying attention to light sources. Lastly, include smaller details such as the side mirrors, door handles, and any badges to complete your impressive Toyota Supra drawing. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.